starting.
I want this one. So, last day we were talking about Half-Life simulations, and you gave me your data, and we took someone's data, and they had beautiful data like 10, 5, 3, 0, 1, 0. And let's put the class average in there, and we're going to say it's 10, 5, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, now let's plot that. We took 6 shakes and it took 6 minutes, so that's 1 minute per shake. So we're going to use 2 different colors and try and plot our data. Oops, forgot to input that. Anyways, let's go back to here. Question. So this is the half-life of a carbon-14 molecule, and as you can see, last class I told you a half-life was approximately 5,000 years, but today we're being specific, so it is 5,700 years. So a couple questions. How do we determine the half-life of carbon-14? I'm making you dizzy, aren't I? So we get to 50% is left, draw it along, be nice if that was straight, and 50%, we get 5,700. So if we had 25% of the original quantity of carbon-14, how old is the object? So we do the same thing. Nice if I had a ruler, 25%. The object is approximately 11,000 years old. So, looking at this, Mr. Batante told you this last class, that carbon-14, radioactive, decays into nitrogen-14 and a beta particle. So, what kind of radioactive decay is taking place? I think we already said that. Beta decay. Now, the next question. If 17,000 years passed, what's the percentage of nitrogen-14? Ooh, made a bit of a boo-boo. Nitrogen-14 remaining. So, I go back, make you kind of sick. 17,000. Look at 17,000 here. And then we draw a line back over here. 17,000 years. That is going to be approximately 12.5%. So how did I know? Half of 25 is 12.5%. So we will have 12.5% of carbon-14. Sorry. Oops. Carbon-14. And 87.5% of nitrogen-14. So,
okay, now pretend you're giving them time. You want to pause because they're solving.
okay.
All right? So you try to make it smaller. Sorry, make it smaller, and then you press pause for the. You go to your tray bar, yeah, and then pause.
Let's go.
All right, now pretend that's the end.
All right.
Okay, we just want to go through the whole thing. So now
say fini.
There you go. Okay.
Yeah.
So you exit it now, and then you press now stop. All right. So go to that. Yeah, red.